Everybody. Today I just kind of wanted to show off my finished pieces. I have quite a few of them, but I'd like to start from when I first began doing paint pouring to present day. So forgive me for how some of them look. But this one I tried to do a string pull, and this is what it came out to be. There's a glare, but sorry. Hold on, let me try something. Alright, you know what? Never mind. We're just going to have to live with that glare. Whoa. But yeah, so this was one of my first string pulls. Pretty cool. Kind of looks like some koi fish right here. I liked it. But yeah, if you're interested in any of these, let me know. This one, I named it Mustard. I remember. This was also a sabotage string pull, quite some time ago. These were like one of my very first, when I had no idea what to do. And that's when I discovered, well actually I had discovered Sherry from the channel Sherry's Life, and I just watched darn near, I want to say almost all, and I tried to get my consistencies right, and I just didn't know what I was doing wrong, but I tried. She's a big influence in this world of mine. But yeah, check this one out too. So thick, these paints. I would just take like these bottles and pour just, I don't know, maybe like a third into a cup, and then guesstimate how much Floetrol and whatnot. And now I just take this whole thing, I dump it into a cup, I put about like this much water, shake it up, pour it into the paint in the cup, and then fill this up twice with Floetrol and shake it and get all the paint out. So I've gotten a little bit better, but yeah, there's this guy. I mean, that canvas is thick. This is actually one of my favorites. I call this the Black Ballet, and I don't know, but I just really like this piece. Yeah, so, you know, the sides aren't done because, again, I didn't know what I was doing. But this is one of my faves. I like it. Alright. And then we get into some creations that I have no idea how I even made this stuff. Sometimes I look at my art and I'm like, how did I do that? Because I kind of want to do it again. But I don't know how. And I guess that's the cool thing about all this. This piece, I called it Surrender. It reminds me of like an angel right here. It's like faced away and the wings are there. It's pretty cool. I think this was like a string pull. But yeah, again, the sides and stuff. Man, I was just learning. You know, I'm still learning. I'm forever opening up my mind to this stuff. So, and then I did my very first tree ring pour. I remember, because I was so excited that I got cells. And I was like, what? That's so cool. I mean, the colors are different, but hey, it is what it is. I even got the sides. Alright. And then we get into, have no idea what this is. Kind of looks like a tree ring, and then maybe like a flip cup. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. It's kind of like a spider web effect right here. I like it. Really hope that I'm in focus and stuff with this tonight. And then this one, I do like it. I accidentally, though, I can remember, I accidentally took my cup instead of like, you know, when you were pouring and then you catch it so that it doesn't drip. Yeah, I did that all through here, but kind of looks like a little trail. Pretty cool. Yeah, so these are all like from the very, very beginning, which again is probably only like 80 days ago. But this one's pretty cool. This one's kind of like, reminds me of Halloween, a mystery. I like it. I think this was a flip cup. And I just was so excited about these. I haven't been making a lot of the cells lately, but I've also been doing a lot of other things. So, again, if you're interested in any of these, let me know. Leave a comment. Again, these are some of my first pieces. This one's pretty neat. This one kind of reminds me of a dream and going into a tunnel or something like that. Yeah, I was trying to figure out the colors and stuff, and more so now I kind of write the colors on the cups so I remember what color I'm out of so I can get that color again. Huh. Not too bad, not too bad. Yeah, I took these all off my wall, so I have no idea where they go now, and I have a bunch of thumbtacks sticking out from the wall. But that's okay. Alright. This one, I've been wondering how in the world I did this. Like, what method did I use? Because this is pretty cool. The canvas is sinking, but all you have to do is spray some water and it tightens up. There's probably a better term for that. But I'm honestly think I'm going to pour over this because these black specks here, I can't stand that. I don't even think I used that color. But yeah, pretty neat. Alright, we're slowly getting to today's time. Alright. This one's pretty cool. I think I did two flip cups with several different colors in each cup. So it made this. I took it off the wall tonight and I was like, man, I'm gonna re-pour over this one and get rid of it. And nope, I can't because I think I practiced putting polyacrylic on it. So nope. Unless somebody knows if I can do that, if I can pour on top of already what do you call that, varnished? But I used polyacrylic to make that shiny. Alright. Oh, this one I'm gonna pour over. But I mean, if somebody's interested, let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna tighten these all up. This one's pretty cool. I do like the effect this one has, but I could always practice with a different kind of method or something. This right here, I think, was my very first canvas of a reverse dip. And as you can see, when I use black paint, some right here got too thick, and that's how it dried. That's how that's what I notice also on my tiles when I use black as a background. But nonetheless, it's pretty cool. But I can live without. Alright. This one I think was my first, tried to do like just a ribbon kind of effect. I might pour over this one also. I mean, I like the colors, I like the design. Pretty cool. Ish. Alright, now, oh, we got this one. Definitely gonna pour over this. Alright, we're getting to now time pretty soon. Now time pretty soon. I guess I should like finish some of these so they don't get dust and stuff on them. Alright. This right here was my first dip. What do you call that? Yeah, dip. Where you smush it down like this. Turned out really cool. And I have some cool coasters that go along with this. I really like this one a lot. And this one right here I made a vase with. Ooh. It looks dark without the light, but look at that. I did put polyacrylic on this one. I like that peacock feather effect. But I do know that it goes this way. I mean, y'all could put it however you want, but I like this way. Guess I should have brought most of my paintings upward so you could see. Maybe we'll just do this all over again. Alright, we're getting to... Oh, no, we still got stuff from, you know, years ago. Like 80-something days ago. Alright, here's this cool one. I have a video in the very beginning of this channel, the start of this channel. I don't even know what I was thinking. I actually had orange, red, yellow, blue, green, purple. And this is what it came out to be because I did a recovery. Hey, I rhymed. But that's pretty cool. I don't know if this is called a cloud effect or just a whole bunch of cells. So if I offend anybody that, you know, is doing this stuff, I just don't know what this is called. I know that it has a lot of cells though. Alright. Oh boy. This one is pretty cool. This is like a sunset or like a galaxy. Yeah, I enjoyed this. I cannot tell you what I did. Not because I don't want to. It's because I don't know what I did. If I had to guess, it was probably a flip cup. And so I was saying a couple of videos ago that I'm so afraid to do large canvases. And then, like I said, I looked up at my wall and I see like 4 or 5 of them up there. And I wonder how in the world did I do those? I have no idea. Alright. This one I know is for sure a flip cup. And I like it this way, maybe. But it's pretty cool. It kind of has like some, how would you say, transparent, like, designs in there. Kind of looks like it's overlapped or whatnot. Pretty cool. These are larger canvases. Alright, ladies and gents, we're almost done. Ish. Okay. Excuse me. This is my second tree ring pour. And my oh my. I was so happy I did this on a large canvas. I was like, woo! Yeah. But it probably gave me anxiety. It's pretty neat. It's got some navy blue and reds. Pretty cool. Alright, I won't be boring you guys too much anymore. We're getting down to the recent stuff. This one. I like this one. This, I think, was my first attempt at a straight pour, like a jiggle pour. But I really love this color. I think some of that color in there is Coral Cove, maybe? And some bright yellow. But again, I turned my overhead light off, so I don't really know how this is going to turn out, and I apologize. Should have thought about that before. Alright, hopefully those that have been following this channel know where this one came about. I was actually trying to record a video doing this one. Let me set this down. No, not throw it down. Alright. I was actually trying to record a video for this guy. And I was so happy with this one. I still am, of course. But I thought I paused my video and I didn't. It kept playing, and when I came back, I paused it. So that one will forever be a memory. So then we just did a video with this. Tis pretty cool. Alright. We got 3 more. And then I'll put out a video in time of like my vases and stuff. This one I really enjoy. I used a Christmas ornament of a snowflake, put it right here, and just poured paint over that and lifted the object up, and we created this together. Pretty neat. I love that crimson red and the pinks. Like I said, I'm not too much of a pink person, but I'm starting to like it. Oh yeah. Here's this one. This is the butterfly one. See right here? It's kind of got a butterfly or like a fairy in the painting. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Hold on real quick. Alright, and then, but yeah, this one turned out pretty cool. I really, really like this one. My little fairy butterfly. Alright, I think I just have 2 more maybe. Here is that blue piece. I like this one a lot. A lot. Pretty neat. I actually made a vase with this one and used the drippings from that to create this. Now the last ones that you have seen, that butterfly and fairy one was on an 8x12 or 8x10? I don't know. And this is on a 10x10, and the others I think were on 11x14. So I got all sorts of different styles. I have to go get the very last one. Alright, I grabbed the last one. And here we are. This one I made a vase with too. But I have a question for anybody. This right here, I don't know what it is. Some of the paint, like that purple or that pink and blue one that I said I'm gonna get rid of because it kind of has like those black speckles in. I don't know what that is, but nonetheless, I'm sure that I can make it work and get rid of that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I appreciate showing you guys my work. Stay tuned for another video to show off my glass pieces and some other wood ornaments or objects that I have poured on. Alright, have a good day. Catch you another time.